Ever pondered how drones, those buzzing machines in the sky, have become so smart and efficient? The answer lies in artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has revolutionized drone technology, transforming these devices from simple flying objects into intelligent machines capable of performing complex tasks. But how exactly does AI work in drone technology? Today we dive deep into this fascinating realm. In the simplest terms, AI is the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence. It can learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Now, imagine infusing this capability into drones. It's like giving wings to intelligence, quite literally. In the context of drones, AI can be broken down into two main components: machine learning and computer vision. Machine learning allows drones to learn from their experiences. For example, if a drone is navigating a specific route, it can learn from its past flights and adjust its path for future flights to avoid obstacles. This means every flight makes the drone smarter and more efficient. On the other hand, computer vision enables drones to understand and interpret their surroundings. This technology allows drones to recognize and differentiate between various objects, whether it's a tree, a building, or a person. So, a drone equipped with AI can not only fly but also understand its environment and react accordingly. But AI in drones isn't just about making them smarter, it's also about making them more autonomous. Many drones now come with autonomous flight modes, thanks to AI. These modes allow drones to fly without any human intervention, performing tasks such as following a subject, circling an object, or even returning home automatically when the battery is low. To put it in perspective, AI is like the brain of the drone, guiding its actions, helping it learn from its experiences, and enabling it to understand and interact with its environment. It's what makes drones more than just flying machines. In summary, artificial intelligence has transformed drone technology by making drones smarter, more efficient, and more autonomous. It has achieved this through machine learning and computer vision, which allow drones to learn from their experiences and understand their surroundings. Thanks to AI, drones can now perform complex tasks on their own, making them an increasingly invaluable tool in various fields, from photography and filmmaking to agriculture and emergency response. And as AI continues to evolve, who knows what the future holds for drone technology? One thing is certain: the sky is no longer the limit.